As we set foot on the path of spiritual awakening, we're embarking on a voyage that transcends time and space, a journey deeply personal, yet universally shared. This path doesn't adhere to a strict sequence. It meanders through the landscape of our souls, offering unique vistas to each traveler. Let's explore these stages, drawing wisdom from the well of humanity's spiritual heritage. The stirring within. Our journey commences with an inner awakening, a gentle yet insistent whisper that calls us to seek beyond the visible material world. This echo in our hearts is beautifully captured in the biblical invitation, "Be still and know that I am God," Psalms 46:10. This verse isn't merely an injunction to pause, but a profound call to recognize the divine essence within and around us. It marks the beginning of our quest, stirring the soul to seek deeper truths. The quest for understanding. With our hearts awakened by this call, we set out on a quest for understanding. Like the seekers before us, philosophers, mystics, and sages, we turn to the wisdom of sacred texts, the beauty of nature, and the silence within, searching for clues to the great mystery of existence. The Buddha's journey from the shelter of his royal life to the austerity of a seeker epitomizes this stage. His quest for enlightenment under the Bodhi tree is a testament to the human longing for truth and liberation from suffering. Moments of revelation. As we delve deeper into the quest, moments of revelation illuminate our path. These are glimpses of the divine, encounters with the ineffable reality that underlies all of existence. In the Hindu tradition, the Bhagavad Gita recounts Arjuna's moment of revelation on the battlefield, where Lord Krishna unveils his cosmic form, revealing the interconnectedness of all life. Such moments are transformative, offering us a vision of unity and divinity that challenges and expands our understanding of reality. The dark night of the soul. Yet, the path of awakening is not without its trials. The dark night of the soul, as described by St. John of the Cross, is a period of profound spiritual crisis. It's a stage where all previous understandings seem to crumble, leaving us in a void of doubt and despair. Like Job, we may find ourselves questioning the very foundations of our faith and existence. This dark night is a crucible, testing and purifying our spirit, leading to a deeper, more resilient faith. Integration and renewal. Emerging from the dark night, we enter a phase of integration and renewal. The lessons learned and the insights gained during our trials begin to permeate our being. This stage is akin to the Taoist ideal of becoming like water, flexible, humble, yet immensely powerful. It's a time of harmonizing our inner revelations with our outer lives, embodying the virtues of compassion, patience, and simplicity. Our spiritual insights become lived realities, guiding our actions and interactions. Living in service. The journey of awakening ultimately guides us to a life of service. Inspired by the Bodhisattva vow in Mahayana Buddhism, we commit to living not just for our own enlightenment, but for the benefit of all beings. This stage is about recognizing our interconnectedness and using our gifts, insights, and energies to alleviate suffering and spread compassion. It's a fulfillment of the spiritual journey where personal awakening blossoms into universal service. The spiral journey. It's essential to recognize that these stages of spiritual awakening are not linear. Our journey is more akin to a spiral, where we may revisit earlier stages from a deeper, more expansive perspective. Each cycle of the spiral brings new insights, challenges, and revelations, enriching our journey and drawing us closer to our true essence. This path of spiritual awakening is a journey without end, for the landscape of the soul is infinitely vast. Each step taken in awareness, each moment lived in truth, brings us closer to the realization of our deepest nature and the unity of all existence. As we walk this path, let us do so with open hearts and minds, supporting one another with compassion and understanding. Let us celebrate the diversity of our journeys, knowing that each unique path enriches the tapestry of human experience. And let us remember that though the journey is ours to walk alone, we are never truly separate from the love and wisdom that sustains us. In closing, my friend, know that the journey of spiritual awakening is the most profound adventure of our lives. It is a path of discovery, challenge, and deep joy. May your journey be blessed with insight, strengthened by courage, and guided by love. And may you find, in the depth of your own being, the peace and light that illuminate the world. As you tread this sacred path, remember that every experience, every challenge, and every moment of silence is a teacher guiding you towards your true self. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, speaks to us in whispers, in the roaring winds, and in the silence of the stars. Listening deeply, we find guidance and understanding. The ever-unfolding present. In the journey of awakening, the present moment becomes our most profound teacher. The realization that now is all there ever is transforms our perception of life. This understanding, echoed in the teachings of mystics and sages throughout time, invites us to live fully in each moment, to embrace life with a heart of gratitude, and to witness the sacred in the ordinary. Embracing uncertainty. As we venture further, we learn to embrace uncertainty, recognizing it as the fertile ground for spiritual growth. In the embrace of the unknown, faith deepens, trust in the journey strengthens, and our capacity for love expands. The realization that we are not the doers, but rather participants in the dance of creation, brings a profound sense of freedom and peace. The unity of being. At the heart of spiritual awakening is the realization of oneness. This understanding transcends intellectual comprehension. It is a lived experience of unity with all that is. The mystic poet Rumi invites us to dissolve the illusions of separation, to see beyond forms, and to recognize ourselves in each other and in all of existence. This realization of non-duality brings with it a profound sense of compassion and a desire to live in harmony with the natural world. The journey home. Ultimately, the journey of spiritual awakening brings us home, to the essence of who we truly are, beyond names, forms, and fleeting identities. This homecoming is not a return to a place we have left, but an awakening to the truth of our eternal presence. Here, in the stillness of being, we discover that we are the love, peace, and joy we have been seeking. As you continue on your path, know that the journey itself is the destination. Each step, each breath, each moment is an opportunity to awaken more fully to the beauty of your true nature. Let your heart be your compass, your inner light, your guide. May your journey be blessed with the courage to face the shadows, the strength to embrace change, and the wisdom to recognize the gifts of each moment. May you walk gently upon the earth in peace and with love, knowing that every step is a step towards awakening. And so, my friend, as we walk this path together yet alone, let us hold space for each other's journeys, offering support, understanding, and love. For in the mirror of each other's souls, we see our own reflection, and in the depths of our own hearts, we find the connection that binds us all. Thank you for being here. If you resonate with this, subscribe, comment, and give a like. Until next time, love, light, and blessings to you.